Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to another pantry cooking for Tuesday. And what I'm using from the pantry for this video is the ham that I had in the freezer. So I had ham in the freezer and I thought I'm going to use that up. So I took it out, let it thaw, and now I'm going to use it in this recipe. And this recipe is from that awesome book that I showed you. So this is a really cool one. It's the broccoli ham pockets. And they're going to look like that. Now, let me see if I can get you without the glare. There you go. See those? Those look so good. So I'm going to serve them with a Caesar salad. But I am actually taking this pantry cooking for two recipe and I'm doubling it. Because it calls for a 4-ounce can of the crescent rolls. But I have an 8-ounce can, so I'm going to double it. But those things kind of remind me of like the chicken bakes that you get at Costco and stuff. So I thought what I'd do is I'd make 4 of them instead of 2. And I'll wrap 2 of them and I'll put them back in the freezer. So that way I've got something to grab out of my pantry for 2 people next time. So what we have here, I'm going to give you the directions for 2 as they are in the book. But I've doubled everything. So first of all, a 1/3 cup of diced ham. Fully cooked diced ham, and that's what I have right there. 3 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh broccoli, and I've got that right there. 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, got that there. A tablespoon of sweet red pepper, diced. You can add that. I'm not going to. Brian doesn't really care much for peppers and things, so I'm not going to add those. And then 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then a tube, they want a 4-ounce tube, but I have an 8-ounce of refrigerated, the crescent rolls, like that. And then 1 egg white, lightly beaten. And then 1½ teaspoons of sliced almonds, because that's what they're going to put on the top to make it look really nice. But I don't have any sliced almonds, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to put some everything bagel seasoning on it. I think that'll be fine. So all you're going to do is in a bowl, you're going to combine the ham, broccoli, cheese, cheddar cheese, the pepper, the mustard, everything basically is going to go into a bowl and we're going to mix it up. And then if you have a 4-ounce can of these, you're just going to roll them out and divide it into 2, but this one I'll divide into 4. And then you kind of just roll this up in it. So let me put this in. So yummy. The picture looked wonderful. I suppose if you wanted to, you could change this up a little bit. Maybe you could do it with, I don't know, you could add other things. Give it maybe some sort of, maybe a Mexican flair. You could put some stuff in there and make it like that, or anything. You could do all kinds of stuff with it. So we're just going to mix this up. Now I've got my oven preheated at 375. And these will cook for 11 to 13 minutes. So there's that. See how nicely it's mixed up? Super simple. Now I'm going to get my, it says ungreased cookie sheet, but I like to use the silicone mat. So now I'm going to try to pop this guy open. You know, we lived in Japan one time and my Japanese friend came over after we moved back to the States. She was so amazed by these. Every time she'd open them, she'd jump because they scared her, but she got the biggest kick out of the fact that we have these things. So it was kind of cool. It was kind of fun to watch her with that. All right, now we're going to roll this out, and I would normally roll this out for 2, but we're going to do for 4. See there? So that the 4-ounce container would have 2 like that, but I'm going to make 4. You're going to pinch those seams together nicely. Oh, I hate when it tears like that when you first open it. Okay, so this will make 4 nice, kind of, they remind me of the chicken bakes. You guys know at Costco, they're one of my favorite things. And I have to tell you, the ones that you can buy to bring home are not the same as the ones that you get there. They're just not. I just don't think so. Okay, we're going to pinch the seams together. And then all we do is divide this. You would divide it into 2, but I'm going to divide it into 4, the filling, and fill each one of them with 1/4 of this amount here, or half if you made it for 2. And then you just kind of roll it over, and then you're going to turn it seam side down. Brush a little of this egg yolk that I've kind of whipped up a little bit, you know, kind of do that. Okay, and then you bake them. How quick is that? And that will give you just enough time to put together a salad, which I've just got a bagged Caesar salad. I love those things. They're super simple and I don't have to worry about all the stuff. Although, this one does not want to seal. There we go. I'm getting serious with it now. Okay. How's this one? This one's same thing. Some people put them down and roll them. I just pinch it together. Get that in there. It'll be fine. Trust me. It'll be fine. Little pinchy things there. Oh boy. Let's see. There we go. I love these little cookbooks. I got another one coming, you guys. I ordered the one that's the America's Test Kitchen Cooking for Two because I just think it's so awesome. I completely forgot I had that Cooking for Two book. I got it years ago. And now I'm excited about it because it helps me with my pantry cooking for two. Normally I just use recipes that I used to make and I just cut them down. But this is kind of cool to have this book. Okay. Das looks good. Okay, now I'm going to put some of this filling along these. That looks really good actually. I'm just going to try to clump it on there and then I will spread it a little bit. There we go. This is pretty quick too. It didn't take me any time at all to chop up the ham, and this is like perfect for a little leftover ham. Like, seems like cooking for two is like everything that you just have left over can make a whole nother meal. You know what I mean? That's kind of cool. There. All right, that looks fair. Okay. Now, I'm going to kind of mix these, kind of fold these up. Okay. Now the trick is getting them folded over. So I'm going to kind of fold this up, pull it around, because it's going to puff up, you know, as this grows. Fold the bottom under. Not a bad little serving. Okay. Okay, there's that one. And I'm going to pinch that shut. There we are. Okay. These may not look fancy, but I think they're going to taste pretty good. And you could add any salt and pepper or anything you like. If I try a recipe, I like to try it as it is written and then make my changes next time when I think about it. Like, what would I do differently? You know. Okay, there's that. I'm going to pinch that shut. Let me get the angle. Got to get the fold angle here. Bless you. Did y'all hear Brian sneeze? Okay. I think it's not pretty, but it'll look fine when it's baked, I'm sure. I think it'd be really good. They just showed it on there with a little bit. This would be a nice lunch thing too. If you're making a little luncheon for a couple people. That would be cool. Okay, pinching together. There we go. Roll that over. Okay, those are all done. Now let me get my little brush and brush some of the egg white on them. There we go. And then this way I can put my bagel seasoning on there. Let's get a pinch right there. And these will get beautiful. Now this will give me just enough time to put together the plates with the salad. So here we have the bagel seasoning. I could put the sliced almonds on there, which I think would be good, but this will be alright for now. You could put ham and scrambled eggs in these. And cheese. And make like little breakfast things. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, now they're going to go, I want to show you. See there, those are going to go in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes, and when I bring them out, I want to show you guys while that's just finishing up. On this book, I know that I used to use it a lot at some point, because I'll show you what I do. Inside my book, always inside my cookbooks, I realize on the inside front cover, I take little sticky note strips and I keep them in there. And this way, when I'm looking through it and I find a recipe, like I found this one, I stick a sticky note on it, and then I lay it on my kitchen counter so that I know there's recipes that I need to make. But I'm going to go keep looking through here, because now I made that, I can put my sticky note back. And then I can start looking for some other recipes, and I can't wait to get my other book. I'm so excited. So, in just a couple minutes, those broccoli ham things will be done, and I will bring them out and show you. Alright, little broccoli ham pockets are done. Don't they look great? Now I'm going to take 2 of these, and I'm going to freeze them so that we can have them another night. Oh, these are going to be good. Oh, they smell so good. I'm excited about these little guys. Okay, take a little look. Got it served with a little bit of cottage cheese and some Caesar salad, and I think they look great. Ooh, nice. I'm going to cut into one just so that you can see. Hang on, let me get a fork. I'll cut into mine. Oh, okay, perfect. Looky look. Look at that creamy broccoli, cheesy inside. Oh yes, I'm excited about these. I know I'm going to make them a whole bunch of different ways. I'm thinking about home canned chicken, all kinds of things. But I hope you guys checked it out. I hope you give this a try. And I gave you the instructions on there, and so there you have it. I hope you guys check it out, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.